Hey guys, here is my review on the Bratz Crystalicious Cloe, which I bought on March the 5th at Fun for only 10 euros, which is super cheap. And this doll is a variant, because she comes with the hairdryer. And I think that the dolls who comes with the hairdryer are the European versions. I'm not really sure about that. So Cloe has long blonde hair with a braid. She comes with the baby blue star clip and also an extension with crystal beads and tinsel, which is so beautiful. Her eyeshadow is blue, brown and glittery. She has blue eyes and pink lips. Her baby blue earrings are dangling hoops. The other one is kinda hidden. She wears a shiny silver one shoulder piece. And then underneath her silver dress with sequins, which is super cute. And she wears party Yasmin's shoes, but this time they're baby blue. So it matches the outfit, of course. She comes with 6 baby blue flowers and 9 gems in different sizes, which you can stick on their hair and clothes. That's so nice. She also comes with this baby blue star brush. The hairdryer really works. This is her golden hair gel. And over there, her base, which lights up. So this is her in the box. It's all see-through and blue. And the background is really beautiful. It's so sparkly. So up here it says Cloe. And then her prototype picture when she's holding her hairdryer. Then up here we have this mint green handle, which says her name, Cloe. And then on the sides, the girls with a passion for fashion. And on the other one, again her name. Bratz Crystalicious. I love wearing sapphire hair gems with a frilly feminine dress. And the hairdryer really works, as I already told you. And the base lights up, which is so cool. So this background is so beautiful in my opinion. It's all sparkly, but as I already told you, I really hate that they don't show Sasha. So yeah. And down here, this time, no bio card, but a picture of the salon, which came to Belgium after a long time. So yep, I bought the salon. So I'll be making a review about it soon, because I have to do a lot of doll reviews first, so yeah. Anyway, so this is the back side. And here's the overview on Cloe. She's my third favorite from the collection. I think she's super cute in this dress. She looks so nice in baby blue. Alright, so thank you guys for watching my review on the Bratz Crystalicious Cloe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye!